Yo, what's up? I have this preset to sound like Lucille and Bunii. I don't know if I'm saying the names right, but it's some indie shit. I made this song with the preset. I'll show y'all without the preset and with the preset, so let's get it.
Damn bastard.
It's your time, girl. I'm tired of you and you had your time. Please get off my mind. I'm already said.
Basically, these are the raw vocals, main vocals, but raw without the preset.
It's your time, girl. I'm tired of you and you had your time. Please get off my mind. I'm already.
Okay, then we had the preset that I made.
It's your time, girl. I'm tired of you and you had your time. Please get off my mind.
And it's not only that, you can make a song with only that, but you always need the layer.
It's your time, girl. I'm tired of this and you had your time.
Yeah, we put the layer and ad libs. It's the same shit. You can use for both and these ones too.
It's your time, girl. I'm tired of this and you had your time. Please get off my mind.
Basically, we layer the two. This can be used as ad libs and layers. It's the same shit. And with the main vocals all layered up incorrectly, it will be sounding like this.
It's your time, girl. I'm tired of you and you had your time. Please get off my mind. I've already said that I don't want you by my side.
I recorded my vocals in a separated. Basically, you'll be sounding like this. Now you just need the beat. I found this one. Now we put all the vocals and everything. You can use the Autotune or you can just record without the Autotune depending if your voice is good or bad, whatever. If you want or you don't want, don't matter, just record. I made the preset good to tweak so you can really tweak it easy and etc. This is sound goodizer we always need. Is the simplest thing in the world and the okay guys, we have these flangos. This is like for entry log by like Giants. If you want to do that shit, it's nice, it's pretty nice. If you want to do, you can use this. You just go here and drag this and you'll be sounding like Giants entry log. I'm gonna show y'all. Put it down and sound a bit like Giants. It's very simple to tweak and you can do everything. This is the reverb. And yeah, basically it's the simplest preset I ever done, but you can sound really cool and etc. Since you don't have the record shit because it's not a fucking preset, you just come here and put it record, you do your mic and it will be like this and you put it like this.